This video is going to give you the directions for making the pumpkin life cycle. So you need your papers. You can put your paper clip aside. You need some glue. I'm going to use a glue stick, but if you have a white glue, that would be better for this activity, and scissors. So I took the paper clip off. I have a white paper, a green paper, a yellow paper, and another green paper. My green paper, this one's kind of a round shape. This is kind of a spiny shape, and then this is kind of a spiky shape too. This little white paper is the seed, so I'm going to cut that out. Make sure you don't cut off the fold. You want that fold to stay there. Okay, and then this yellow one, do you remember what comes? This is the flower in the life cycle. Do you remember our picture, our chart that we made, our flow map, the life cycle of a pumpkin? And if you listen to the story Pumpkin Time, they went over the life cycle of a pumpkin also. This is the leaf. This is a leaf because it starts to sprout and grow the vine, right? All the stuff grows on the vine after the farmer plants the seed. A sprout comes from the seed, and then it grows a vine, and then it grows a flower, and then a little green pumpkin. That's what this one is. Remember, don't cut off that fold. You want that fold. You want to keep that fold so that you can put it on the vine. Okay, all these things are going to go on our pumpkin vine. And again, I'm going to pull out my yarn and save that. And then I'm going to, remember, do not cut the fold. Okay, I'm going to cut around and around. Remember, the scissors stay in one place and your other hand turns the paper. Okay. So I have my pumpkin, and you can take your black crayon and you can draw a jack-o'-lantern face. I'm going to draw eyes. Whoops. Another eye. So I'm going to give my jack-o'-lantern a triangle nose, and then maybe a smile with a tooth. So you can draw whatever kind of jack-o'-lantern face you want. That's what I'm going to do. And then you want to glue the edges of your paper. So just on the edges, you don't want to glue this shut because you're going to put stuff inside. So just on the edge over here, just on the edge over here, and then you can close it up, push down your edges, but you want to make sure you have a pocket, okay? You want to have that pocket, so don't glue it all the way shut. And then you're going to glue your yarn. I should have glued it to the side. That is not a good place for my yarn. So try and wipe it off. Try and glue the yarn to the side. You don't want to, if I glue it there, it's going to close it up. So I'm going to put some glue on my yarn on both sides and try and get my yarn to stay over there because I still want to have that pocket. If I glue it shut, it glues the pocket shut. So then I'm going to take my seed and I'm going to put it around, right? First comes the seed. The farmer plants the seed. And then down the vine, we're going to put our leaf, right? The leaves grow on the vine, so I'm going to put some glue and glue that around. And then what's next? That's right, our flower. So I'm going to put it around, glue it shut over my yarn, and then what's last? My little green pumpkin. So that's going to be the last thing in my pumpkin life cycle. Put some glue down here for my yarn, and this one you do want to glue shut. Okay, and then you can take all your pieces, stretch these out a little bit, okay, and you can put, if you left this open, you can put all your pieces inside. Put the seed and the leaf and the flower and the pumpkin all inside your jack-o'-lantern. And then you can reach in and you can tell about the life cycle of the pumpkin. It starts with the seed, plant the seed, and then the leaf grows, and then the flower, and then the pumpkin. Have fun.